Welcome everyone to our channel. This video continues exploring element 752 of ISO 9001-2015 standard, creating and updating documented information. We will see how one can show not only signatures of review and approval of changes, but how to demonstrate the suitability and adequacy of documents. In the previous video, I shared the survey showing considerable user dissatisfaction with the quality of their management system documents. Among concerns were documents being too wordy, poor quality of writing, complicated content, and others. These issues result from a lack of validating documents before the release. So, what is validation? ISO 9000-2015, Quality Management Systems, Fundamentals and Vocabulary, Clause 3.8.13 defines validation as confirmation through the provision of objective evidence that the requirements for a specific intended use or application have been fulfilled. In simple language, it means that you showed that your design, product, or service meets users' requirements. For example, if your customer asks you to design a train with a 3,500 horsepower motor, you have to prove that the motor meets this specification. If your pool requires a pH of 7.4 plus or minus 0.2, you will use a pH meter to show that the pH is in the required range or needs to be adjusted. The validation process in these examples looks straightforward. Here are the specification numbers, and here are the test records. But what about documents? How can we demonstrate that our procedures are not too long, or writing is literate, or the content is clear? Well, it is not difficult. How do we know that ice cream is tasty? If by the end of the day, we sold all coffee cream, it means it was tasty for our customers. How do we know if our office is clean? We do not walk around with a dust meter, we just look around and see if it is clean to us. And finally, our documents. How do we know that what we just wrote meets our users' requirements? The same thing, we ask our customers. We take the procedure to the production floor and ask operators if they understand the document, if it is easy to follow, and so on. Unfortunately, only very few companies validate their documents before the release. This results not only in users complaining about many deficiencies in documents but also repetitive corrections of previous mistakes. I have seen this rework or changes due to mistakes in documents between some 10 and 30% of all document changes. Let's summarize this discussion. One cannot prove the suitability and adequacy of documents without evidence of validation. Try your procedures with users before release to ensure they understand and can follow your instructions. This is all for today, guys. In the following video, we will talk about how to document validation and how to set filters to eliminate or reduce waste in management system documents. If you wish to check our free downloads, go to the Academy page on our website and see if you like our templates. Thank you for subscribing, likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. The link to it on Amazon is below. Thanks for joining me today and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.